BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 63 of season 3. Today's word is sluggish. The meaning of sluggish is slow moving or inactive, slow to respond or to make progress. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word sluggish. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Sluggish is spelled as S-L-U-G-G-I-S-H. The word sluggish refers to something that is moving slowly or not making progress. For example, we may say that the growth of an economy is sluggish. Listen carefully how we can use the word sluggish in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Do you agree that today mobile phones and electronic gadgets have made our communication fast-paced? But in earlier times, people would write letters to each other which would take days to reach. Naturally, the pace of communication on those days was sluggish. Example number 2 of 8. Daniel would often be sluggish in the mornings. He was unable to concentrate during his classes. His mother consulted a child specialist who advised her to give him a wholesome breakfast. This really helped Daniel to overcome his sluggishness. Example number 3 of 8. When a river originates from its source, which is at a height, comes down with full force. However, when it reaches a plain area, the flow becomes sluggish. The surrounding land becomes fertile due to this slowing down. Example number 4 of 8. Harish was a special child and he needed personal attention for learning in school. His father requested his school to arrange a special educator for Harish. Their response was sluggish. Ultimately, his father met the school trustees and they promised the necessary action. We train English learners in vocabulary development in our Advanced English Fluency course at our training centers in Mumbai. But don't you worry, if you don't stay in Mumbai, we have an online English fluency course for you too. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The residents near seashore witnessed some criminal activities and immediately reported to the police station. The police visited the area and carried out a raid. However, the citizens were not happy since they found the action to be sluggish. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. The sluggish movement of traffic on MG Road is due to the ongoing road repairs. Glenn has to leave her home half an hour early in the morning so that she can reach office on time. Once done, the repairs will result in brisk, means fast movement of vehicles. Moving on to example number 7 of 8. Mr. Yadav suffered an attack of paralysis. This affected his facial muscles and hence his speech has become sluggish. The doctors are optimistic, which means they are hopeful that he will make a full recovery in a year's time. Example number 8 of 8. The managing director of the company called an urgent meeting of all business heads. He expressed his concern about the sluggish performance of the company. Although the market conditions were adverse, he wanted everyone to put in their best efforts. Today we learned the word sluggish, which means slow moving or inactive, slow to respond or to make progress. Can you frame 3 sentences with sluggish and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 63 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.